It's a good song.
Such a nice day outside, huh? Isn't it, pal? Alright, just ignore me, you fuck. Alrighty. We just had breakfast. We're going to go to the Imperial City. Going to a water park. Going to Mausoleum. Going to Pagoda, I believe. So that's what's on the menu. Why am I always waiting on you, dude?
There's the person who bought my van.
Oh, I'm kidding.
They're asking me some questions.
Oh, damn. Well, that didn't go as planned. Here at the huge Imperial City. Should be kind of cool. Don't really know what it entails, but... You know, it's nice that it's sunny outside and we actually get to be outside. Yeah, I think this place was just like a royal family, political type landscape from the 1800s to like 1945, which is kind of a very long time. Started over here, up that way, over there. A lot of land to cover for sure. Here's my thing with like all the Imperial City stuff we've done. It kind of is all going over my head, and I've kind of been oversaturated, I feel like, so I'm kind of just walking through. Yeah, I think Dane more so wanted to come here than me, and so that's how he came here, but I mean, it's cool, like the structures and stuff. I just don't really get the importance of it all. I know it's just like they rule here for a while until the end of World War II. But that's kind of like the whole gist I've got of the whole thing, so I don't know. That's actually kind of cool. Very ornate and colorful. Here at Emperor, what's this guy's name? Emperor what?
Kaidin.
Emperor Kaidin's mausoleum. There he is. There's his tomb. The detail and like craftsmanship of this stuff is actually insane. Alrighty, so finished up the mausoleum here of KD. I think we're headed to the water park that's abandoned. It's supposed to be kind of cool. We've spent 350,000 dong here. Well, between the mausoleum and the Imperial City. Is it worth it? I mean, sure, but I think the combo tickets are kind of a bit much, because to me it kind of seems like once you've seen one, you've seen them all kind of type of situation. But to each their own. Chill out, bro. You make so many excuses. Hands work, crazy, crazy work. Yeah, for 50,000 dong, you get a bike and you get some cold water. Oh, I'm talking to the camera right now, pal. And it's kind of a donation, but not really because the people here like help maintain the park and stuff. So Dane was getting upset because it's not technically not a donation, but
When they keep telling you 15 times, 50,000 donation, and they keep hurting you towards their payment center, it's not a donation. When they don't let you leave until you make the donation, it's not a donation. I don't want to pay.
this guy's splitting hairs here. This guy's splitting hairs over what? $2, not even? Come on, guy, you're better than that. Shit, stop. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Bro, by the end of this trip, Dane's gonna me, I swear to God.
No, it's definitely better. It would have been hard duty after over.
Yeah, it would have been very hard. There's the dragon. This is what the inside of a dragon looks like. I don't think it fits my jokes funny anymore. Don't have a sense of humor, bro. I will say this is kind of cool. It sucks that it's abandoned, but for me, it's pretty cool. Ow. Can you take a picture of me real quick, guys? I will say, glad that it's not raining anymore, and that the rain earlier was just a drizzle. This is pretty cool. It's just like a big lake, basically. Brother, stop falling off the thing.
Hard, man.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.